My name is Yonas Adeto. I'm working for Adeto University, specifically Institute for Peace and Security Studies. There are a lot of departments such as law, political science, sociology, but here they all are of course concerned with conflict and peace. But what makes ours unique is it focuses on addressing what are current issues that really concern Ethiopia, the region that is Horn of Africa, and of course at the global level as well. So it's just like issues such as cross-border issues, small arms and light weapons, for instance, human insecurity, for instance. These are issues that really deserve a specific concern, and that's what we are doing under education, research, and community outreach. I define partnership in academic context as collegiality, as a give and take relationship, as focusing on shared values, as learning from each other, sharing with each other, so as to solve common problems that really concern all of us. The myth so far prevailing around the world, and that is Africa has been conceived as a dark continent, dark physically, dark even people's thinking as well. That's why even it was considered as people as dark color, so associated with dark thinking. Absolutely wrong. Again, Africa is always in need of help, foreign help, always to be assisted, lame, can't stand on its feet, always poor, always in war, fighting with each other, barbaric. So these are some of misconceptions about Africa. One is reversing such a concept. And the second one is definitely what led them to conceive that way, Africa being food insecure, so food security. And then immediately, of course, governance issues. African leaders must listen to their own constituencies, Africans themselves, rather than being, answerable to donors or development partners. So this accountability, this lack of governance definitely is a pressing issue, and that must already be addressed in whatever we do in our research, as well as of course in our networks as well, we said earlier. I think they should care. Hunger, violence, injustice in one place has implication in other places as well. So whatever happens in Southern Africa, if climate-wise, if you really see, what happens in the Horn of Africa would possibly affect Northern American, Canadian, Australian, Europe as a whole. So they must be concerned, because this Southern voices, the marginalized voices, the unheard voices, which are about injustices, inequality, poverty. So others must, so as to even reduce the number of immigrants coming to them, even terrorism, to fight that, they must first and foremost listen to this Southern voice, because they discuss the root causes and of course possible solutions as well. It really means a lot. And interestingly, it has very many different meanings. But for us, it is one forum, one window opportunity for us to voice some of our concerns which were not voiced through regional organizations, through our leadership, through our media, through our civil societies. So we take this one as one alternative for us to voice out.